Today I'm going to show you how to register a device on Amazon Prime Video. This is essential when you want to start streaming on a new TV, tablet, or streaming device, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Prime Video homepage where you can access all your streaming content and account settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Hover your mouse over this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This will take you to the main control panel where you can manage various aspects of your Prime Video account. Once you're in the Account and Settings area, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll find several tabs for different settings categories. Click on Devices. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the devices connected to your Prime Video account, and it's where we'll be adding your new device. Next, click Register New Device. This will open up a registration interface where you can link a new streaming device to your account. The system will now be ready to accept a registration code from your device. Now here's where you'll need to switch to the device you want to register. To find your registration code, you'll need to follow a quick 3-step process on that device. First, open the Prime Video app on your TV or device. Then select Register on the Prime website. Finally, your registration code will appear on the left side of the screen. This code is what connects your device to your Amazon account, so make sure you have it visible before moving forward. Head back to your web browser where you have the registration page open. You'll see a designated field waiting for your code. Enter the registration code that's displayed on your device screen, making sure to type it exactly as shown. Once you've entered it correctly, click Register Device. After the code is accepted, your device should automatically connect to your Amazon Prime Video account. Within a few seconds, you'll see confirmation that the device is now registered, and you'll be able to start watching all your favorite shows and movies immediately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.